How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add fuzzy skin in the Creality Print. So the first thing that you want to do is to just head over to your project, and from here we then have the size categories, which will contain the quality, strength, speed, support, and more. You just want to make sure to navigate through the last option, which is going to be others. From here, you have your brim and you also have the special mode. Of course, the fuzzy skin is going to be inside this option. So there's multiple options that you could choose from. We have the contour and whole and all walls. So in my case, I'm only going to be choosing contour right here. It will then allow us to configure additional settings of our fuzzy skin. But finally, if you click on the slice plate option, it will now apply the fuzzy skin onto our model. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.